Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are going to make banana bread. Banana bread is definitely a comfort bake for me. I make it quite often, and this time I have added a chocolatey twist to this bread which enhances the flavor and taste even more. And the best thing is, it's made with whole wheat flour, it doesn't require eggs, and it's refined sugar free. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. In a medium sized bowl, we'll add 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and we'll mix this really well. Now we'll keep this aside, and in another bowl we'll add 2 bananas, and using a fork we'll mash it into a puree. Now we'll add 1/3 cup unsweetened peanut butter, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup jaggery powder or any other alternative like coconut sugar, maple syrup, stevia or monk fruit. We'll also add some vanilla extract or essence, and 3/4 cup milk of your choice. I am adding oat milk here. Now we'll give it a good mix till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll add in the flour mixture that we had prepared earlier. We'll continue whisking till everything is nicely combined. Now we'll take a small bowl and we'll divide this batter in 2 parts. We'll add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder into this batter, and we'll mix it really well till it's nicely incorporated. We'll keep this aside, and we'll take a loaf pan and we'll grease it nicely with oil. Now we'll transfer the chocolate batter into this loaf pan and we'll spread it evenly. Now we'll pour the remaining batter gently on top of it. At this time, make sure to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. And we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes. The banana bread is ready, and now all we need to do is let it cool completely. This banana bread tastes amazing. It looks pretty and it's easy to make as well. And as we haven't used any refined flour and sugar, it's a perfect healthy and yummy treat to enjoy with some chai and coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you also like making banana bread, do give it a try with this chocolatey twist and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating, and I'll see you next time.